How to fix Task Scheduler service is not available error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Find the task for which the error occurs and right-click on it. Select Properties from the context menu. In the Tasks Properties window, select the Conditions tab. If the Start Only if network connection is available checkbox is selected, deselect it to disable the setting. Double-click on the Start D word within the Schedule key. If the Start D word is set to a value other than 2, enter 2 in the Value Data box. If that didn't work, double-click on the Start D word within the Time Broker SVC registry key. Check if the Start D word value is set to 3.